Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to unlock bootloader of Realme 3 Pro. So don't waste time, let's boot. So guys, you can see that now I am running on ColorOS. So the first thing you have to do is go to the About section. Then you have to go to the version section and press build number 3 times, and you can enable the developer mode. Then you have to find out the developer section from the advanced settings mode, and you have to enable OEM unlocking. Now after enable OEM unlock, then you have to download 3 Pro Deep Testing Realme APK, which link I already given in the description box. So you have to install it and run it. Now the Deep Test APK finally installed, and you have to start applying. These are some caution messages which tells that some functions may not be operated and the security section may not work properly. So sometimes your phone got brick, so think about it, then unlock the bootloader. And maybe your warranty will be void, so I agreed the conditions and submit the application. So you have to wait for an hour to get the accessibility. So in my case it took 30 minutes, maybe it will take longer, but don't panic. So now you just have to start in the deep test mode and your phone will be automatically rebooted. So wait for some times and you can see that your phone will booted into the first boot mode. Here you can see my phone is now booted into first boot mode. Now you have to plug your phone with PC by the data cable. So I connected it. Now let's come to the PC. In the PC you need some files whose link I already provided into the description box. So just go and download the files. So first you need to the ADB setup tool, which will install the driver to support the phone in first boot mode. So you just have to press Y to confirm it. So you can see that I typed Y and then secondly Y and press enter. So you can see that the ADB driver is fully installed and the phone driver will be automatically updated to your PC. Now you have to run a command to appear unlock option on your phone. For that you just have to type CMD on the storage path section. It will open a CMD panel. Then you just have to type first boot flashing unlock. It will provide a unlock option on your phone. So now let's come to the phone. So you can see that the option has appeared and you just have to press the volume down key to select unlock the bootloader and press power key to confirm it. So it will take a reboot. Then you just have to wait for it and make sure to keep a backup of your data, because it will wipe your data and reset your phone as a new one. So you can see that the phone is fully booted and you just have to perform the setup section. So here it is, your fully fresh phone with bootloader unlocked. Now you just have to go to the settings section, then the additional settings, and then find out the developer option, and you can see that the OEM unlocking option is enabled and you can't change it. So your bootloader is unlocked perfectly. Now you can install custom recoveries and custom ROMs on your Realme 3 Pro. So I will make another video on how to install custom recovery on Realme 3 Pro, and I will provide the link of the video in the description box. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel. Stay safe, stay home. Thanks for watching.